Hello, my name is Sofia Vergara and I am the Minister for Official Angostura Pronouncement. I believe Tony Abbott, who is not the Prime Minister, could help this official minister. We could have a man-to-man, heart-to-heart. Perhaps he could help me with my sad issues? Yes? Do you proud Australians even know you invented lemon, lime, and bitters? It seems not. That would explain why you green and gold citizens can't pronounce Angostura, the key and vital ingredient in the world's most delicious drink. Listen up. Hello? Angostura. Roll your R's. R. Feels very nice on the tongue, no? Nearly as nice as Angostura, lemon, lime, and bitters feels on your tongue. And I know, Tony, I know. Please, Australia, practice with me. Angostura. Angostura. This bikini is really skimpy. Real estate is really ridiculously overpriced. Roasted from 50 Barry Hall. Ridiculously refreshing drink. Visit me at facebook.com/AngosturaLLB. Love kisses, Sofia, Minister of Official Angostura Pronouncement.